Okay, so now I want to go through with you the course schedule. And so from the course homepage, you'll see if you click over here on course information, the course schedule is going to be the second link down, and you just click to open it. It's going to open in a PDF document where you can save it, print it, you can expand the size of it if you need to see it bigger, etc. So what this is a checklist of everything that you need to do for a given week. So over here on the left we have the week, in the middle we have the exact deliverables, and on the right we have the dates and times in which you need to complete those deliverables. And so you'll see all 15 weeks are here in the course, and I just want to kind of quickly go through with you so you can get to know sort of the routine of our course. So this first week is a little bit different because it's the orientation and the overview. You're doing a survey and you're setting up your Google document and posting your discussion, your introduction discussion, taking a quiz. But starting in week 2, we're going to kind of have a 2-week rotation. So you'll see in week 2, you're going to be reading chapters 1, 2, and 3 in your Strategies text. You'll take a quiz. You'll contribute to your Google Philosophy document, which is just a piece of a document that you're creating throughout the semester. You'll review the soft talk lesson, and you'll participate, if you want to, in a synchronous session with me. So that's the 19th through the 25th. Notice that our week always starts on a Monday and ends on a Sunday at 11:59 p.m. In the following week, after week 2 and week 3, you're going to, still with chapters 1, 2, and 3 in mind, you're going to watch an assigned video and contribute to your group key point document. So that will always be the second week, sort of in the rotation. So then in week 4, we start over, but this time with chapters 4, 5, and 6. So again, you'll read those chapters, you'll take a quiz, you'll contribute to your philosophy Google document, and you'll review the soft talk lesson. And then the following week, you'll watch a related video and contribute to your group key point. Repeating that same cycle in week 6, you're going to jump to 7, 8, 9, and 10 in the Strategies text, take a quiz, contribute to your philosophy document, and review the soft talk lesson. Followed by week 7, where you'll watch the related video and contribute to your group key point. Then in week 8, we take a little bit of a break before spring break, where we have a midpoint synchronous discussion, or synchronous session rather, and an accountability discussion. And then you're off the entire week of spring break, March 9th through the 15th. And then we pick right back up where we left off. So again, chapters 11, 12, 13, and 14 in week 9, a quiz, philosophy document, and the soft talk lesson, followed in the next week by the related video and your group key point. And then the last cycle is chapters 15, 16, 17, and 18. Again, take the quiz, philosophy doc, soft talk, followed by the following week in watching your assigned video and contributing to the group key point. So then we're done with that cycle. In week 13, you're going to have a chance to have a question and answer session with veteran online teachers. And you're going to finish up the first draft of your philosophy Google document that you've been working on all semester. And then in week 14, you're going to have a small group synchronous session where you are going to give each other feedback on your philosophy Google documents. So you'll have your final revisions to those, to that document based on your synchronous session feedback. And then in week 15, you're going to submit that final version of your philosophy document and take your final exam. So that's sort of the flow of our course this semester. It is subject to change, of course, but I also wanted to include some other important spring dates here for you in case you're wondering, for example, when to drop or when to register for summer and fall, when commencement is, etc. So that is the course schedule, and I hope that you find it valuable in sort of knowing exactly what I expect from you each week.